And it's just a question on these when to get back in. So if you have Travelers up, let me know.
Yeah, I got it up.
All right. So for Travelers, I've been picking some up through this 115 area for some time now. Finally caught that move up to that retest again. We've been hammering on this lesson of that first retest back at a prior pivot tends getting at resistance, and you can see it's clear as day. That prior high was 128. It ran right into it, and it just couldn't go any higher. At that point, I had to raise my stop, and it opened the next day down, and I pretty much got flushed out. But if you look at it today, it's almost it's closed at 119, so it continued to sell back off and pull back into this range that it's been trading in. But that similar example where if it comes to 115 tomorrow or 114, I'm not going to blindly buy it because the real out is versus 105. So for me, I'm gonna have to give it some more time to set back up and look to get big in versus just trying to buy the same price that I bought a week or two prior.